Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to find an app, go to Files, and when you find it, click on it. Over here, you need to select Clean, and then choose Clean under Junk Files. Finally, tap on Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Google Pixel was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!